In this video, I'm going to show how to use Excel to create a frequency table for categorical data using a pivot table. So for example, I have this list of colleges, and one of the data variables is what state the college is in. So in this column C here, I have a list of states. Many of them are duplicated since there are multiple schools in each state. I of course could sort this list alphabetically and manually count up how many schools showed up in each state, but that would take a long time for me to find out how many there were for all 50 states. So instead, I'm going to highlight this column and I'm going to do Insert, and then the first option in the Insert menu is a pivot table. So I'm going to insert a pivot table. I've already got my range inputted there as essentially column C. And then I'm just going to create a new worksheet and click OK. So I haven't changed any of the settings in here. So this has created a blank pivot table. It's not doing anything yet. I need to take this little state variable and I'm going to put it in the, click and drag it to the values box and also the rows box. And what this creates is rows for each state, as well as the value is going to be the count of the state. And pivot tables can make a lot of different things. If you're interested in pivot tables, I can point you to some other YouTube videos that will go much more in depth. But this is creating just a frequency table of these different states. So for Connecticut, it's telling me there were Connecticut showed up in that list 23 times. There are 23 schools in Connecticut. Once you've got the state in both of those places, you can close the pivot table settings. You can't really change anything about this table other than you can change the sorting or use a filter on the states. So if you want to manipulate it, you might just copy and paste this data somewhere else. But this is a quick and easy way to get a frequency table, and then you could create graphs and things like that from there. Thanks for watching.